sa table official eh. Dali ko. Doon ka muna, Sat. Pahinga ka muna. Okay, okay. Dito ka, dito. Ano? Alright. Alright. Oh, good. Alright. Number 1 is the ball. Lagay mo yung... Pangalan mo? Alright. Number 77 to 35. 35 for 3, Nugget. Rebound by number 1. Number 1. To number 0. To 3. Bola, pasok. Number 42 to number 16. Wonderful for 3, Nugget. Rebound by yellow, number 0. Number 42 goes in, pasok. 2 points by number 2, 42. Nathan. Dribbling violation, dribbling violation. Number 3, number 1, 3. So number 0. 23, Nugget. Rebound by 42. Ay, nabitawan. Black ball tayo. Black ball tayo. Pull up jumper, Nugget. Rebound by 34. 3. There's a foul. Oh, stop there, stop. There's a foul. Who's foul, ref? Forty-seven, 42. 42. Yeah, 42. Pasok ako na. Tulog kayo. Player na. Hindi na pagod eh. May rebounder eh. May dalawang rebounder eh. 77 has the ball. Buti hindi naka 666 yung number nito. Oy, intercepted. Tension and sushi. 5, 4. Pull up. Nugget. Rebound by 35. 35 to 42. 42 goes in. Lisa. Pasok. 2 points by number 42.
Second personal foul, number 26.
$77 for 3. Yes. Kumakamada na si Mr. Unwonderful. Number 23 to number 1. 3, no good. Rebound with 35. 42. Another 3. No good this time. Ay, na-rebound ng 42. Ay, traveling violation. Nauna yung foul. Number 42 goes in. Pass to number 66. Pull up. No good. Number 34. Rebound to number 42. Bolang-bola. 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 Oh, there's a foul. Foul number 66 on block. For 3, no good. Wala rin. Rebound by 34. Oy, ganda. Tamang-tama. Nahulog. $35. No good. Another rebound by number 16. 77, Tomira. No good. $42. Goes in. Pasok. Time out, yellow. Sandali, wala pa yung referee. Hindi yan ang bola. Nandun yung bola. Alright. Number 1. May pasok, 3 points. On 3, number 1. Number 11 to 35. Oh. 11 for 3. No good. Rebound by number 23 to number 1. Oh, there's a foul on number 66. 2 shots. Alright. Pasok ang pangalawa. Number 11 to number Barbara. Oy, intercepted. Pull up. Pasok.
Second throw, wala pa rin. Oy, wala. 45 minutes. Pasok siya.
Another 3. Wala. Jojo. Para ano yung displayer eh. 42. Pasok. Number 11. Another 3 attempt. Boom! In and away. Pumasok. 3 points on number 4. Number 4 muna siya. Number 1. Number 1. Another 3 for number 1. No good this time. Rebound by 23. 23 to number 1. Oy, 3 seconds violation. 3 seconds violation.
45. First personal foul on the board, 15 fouls.
Number 4 goes in. Pinasa. Intercepted.
First goal, wala.
Number 1 now. Oy! Sayang. Sayang.
Second throw. Pasok. Number 19.
End of the first quarter. Alright, back to the ball game. Black ball. Number 89. Pasok. Number 16, 2 points. Bin. There's a foul on number 16. Foul on number 16, Black. 2 shots. Rebound by 89. Wala! Rebound by number 0. Mr. Hibban. Bolang-bola, ganda ng depensa. Oy, last touch. Yellow ball.
Working up. 2 points by number 45.
Wala. Rebound. Oy. Tumama. Black ball tayo.
Picture mo na!
Alright, number 11. Another 3. No good. Rebound by 16. 0 at the ball. Intercepted. Another 3. No good. Rebound by 16. Oh, 3 points by number 4. Ang ganda ng laban, lumabas si Chat. At saka si Wonderful, gumanda ang laro ng Black. Huwag na kayong papasok. Number 1 to number 0. Up! 42 foul.
Linang player nila, okay? Good.
42 foul on yellow.
Zero.
Another 3! Yun! Pumasok na naman ng number 3. Huwag na papasok si, Diyan na lang kayo, opo. Gumaganda yung laban.
Sa mga hindi pa nakaka-register sa
Another 3! Oy! Na naman, umuulan ng 3. Umuulan ng 3. Ang bilis. Number 4, tumira na naman! Oy! Lumilipad ang 3. Lumilipad ang 3. Lumilipad ang 3.
Uy! Wala. Kasundutan ni
42 goes in, up. There's a foul. Number 4. Number 4.
Uy! Wala. Sayang talaga. Ilinis na rin yung ring. Uy!
Second.
Hernan ulit, 2 points. Time out the ref.
Yellow ball, yellow ball. Another 3 na naman. Oy, not this time. Rebound by 16 to number 2. Number 2, oy. Okay on, live ball. 11 pull up. No good. Rebound by number 0 on block. Ayun na pala. Substitution, rep! Substitution!
Back to the ball game.
There is a foul. There is a foul. Number 16. Substitution, rep. Substitution. Warning for penalty. Block.
Who's foul ref? 56 for 9. First personal foul, first team foul.
Pull up. Pasok. Oy! Traveling violation. Nakikita. Traveling without passport. Traveling. Oy! Bola. Substitution, rep! Rep, substitution! Substitution! 19. Oh, sandali. Rep. Bola. Time, stop the clock. Yes. All right. Lipot mo na dito kasi wala pang mga jersey. Warning chat. Ang dami na palang player eh. Up!
Sisaging kumpay number 0. Magmamadali, sumalaksak. Wala!
66 blocking foul.
Pumakla sa pader sa number 0.
Penalty rep, penalty.
Substitution.
Penalty na tayo, penalty. Second show, yes. 1 point. Number 4. Nagmamadali. Pumihit ng 3. No good this time. Rebound by 23. Number 93 goes in. Ay, ganda ng pasa. Number 66. Oy, there's a foul. Substitution rep. Number 0, foul on yellow. Substitution. 0 foul. Alright, back to the ball game. Oy! Simbo. Number 66. For 3, yes! Ganda! Praktisado yan. Nagsusuloan yan. Practice everyday yan. 3. Wala yung
Third personal ball na.
Number 44 goes in. Pinasa. Oy, there's a foul basket. Oy,
Wala. Rebound by Hernan. Takes on 2 points.
bonus shot. Number 4 foul.
Sueto, pinasa kay Mandina. Mandina, pinasa kay 45.
Substitution rep. Substitution. Substitution. Lapit. Kasi mo buhay mo ha. Bawal. No good. Number 66. And number 9. Number 9 to 89. Oh, there's a foul on number 1, yellow. There's a foul on number 1, yellow. Umayos ka, umayos ka. Gian to number 77, pamira ng 3, wala. Rebound by 19. To number 63. There's a foul. Yeah, all good, all good. 2 shots tayo, 2 shots. Wala. Wala talaga. Rebound by 89. Pumihit. Ay, there's a foul. Number 42. Penalty na rin ang yellow. Both teams are on penalty. '89, pasok ang una. Good defense. There's a foul. Number 77, 77. Penalty po tayo, penalty. Penalty, penalty, 2 shots.
Warning for penalty. Sueto, foul. Second personal ball ka na, Sueto. Hernan.
Yellow ball. Below. All right, number 93. 93 to number 19. To number 0, pull-up jumper. Pasok. Number 42 to number 11. 11 to number 4. Number 4, pass to number 42. 10 seconds to shoot. 35, pull-up jumper, no good. Rebound by number 16. Nakuha. Yellow na, pamihit. 3, pasok, 2 points. Lamang na po ang yellow. Ganda ng palabok ni Charlie daw. Alright, yellow ball. Black. Yan. Up! There's a foul on black, 35. 35 foul. Pull up! Pasok! On zero. Pasok. Number 42. Number 4, 4-3. No good this time. Rebound by 23. 23 to 42. Pull up, no good. Rebound by 42. 42 drives in. Pass to number 11. Oh, nakuha ang bola. Number 0. Pasok. Oy, lumampas. Substitution, Rob! Substitution! 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 Pasok ang lalabas. Yellow, one more yellow. Black ball. Oy, Blanca.
Second personal foul, second team foul. Number 5.
All right, number 23. Oh, Pion. Oh, shot clock violation. Shot clock violation. Yellow! Ay, sayang! $35 goes in. Wait a minute, there's a foul. Was foul off? 23. 23 na. Huh? 23 foul. Wala. Pangalawa. Yun, pasok. Number 0 goes in. Oh, intercepted. Magandang depensa. 89 goes in. Pinasa, 77. There is a foul. Muntik ng traveling yun ah. Third. Balls on play. Number 93. $23 pull up, no good. Rebound by 77. 77, oh, natapik. Tama! Kilo! Bola ng block. $35-3, no good. Rebound by 77. There's a foul. 93 foul. Nagulangan.
Who's foul rep? Number 40.
Peter Hernandez, yung team nyo, ready dito. Kayo sunod. Warm up na kayo dito kasi 5 minutes lang. Kayo na sunod this game. Ready na kayo. Huwag na kayong palakad-lakad dyan. Rebound by 99, 89 to 66 to number 19. Number 19, 77 for 3, no good. Rebound by 23, 93. Uy, pasok, ganda. Bros, wala pa kaming picture dito bros ha. Tabaso to number 35.
Number 26.
Wala. Rebound by number 19. Lays up. Play on, play on. Play on, play on. Play on. 3 and 1. Easy basket number 1. Number 89 to number 77. Tumira na naman. Up, there's the ball. Sayang, sayang. No basket. No basket. No basket. Sayang yung pagkakataon. Ang dalang makashoot na ano pa. Isa pa, isa pa. 35 goes in. Pumihit, tumira. No good. Number 93 to number 0. Number 0 goes in, lays up, no good. Rebound by 35. Oh, intercepted, walang foul. Nabitawan ang bola. Rebound by 66, ang ganda ng box out. Another 3, yes! 66, 3 points. Number 0. Number 0 to number 12. 42. 42 to number 0 goes in. 24 second shot clock. Oh, 24 second shot clock. 24 second shot clock. Wala pa kaming picture, wala pa kaming picture. 10 seconds, 10 seconds.
6 seconds!
10 seconds. 4, 5. Yun! Alright, end of the third quarter. Number 4, good on. Jump ball. Yellow ball. Yellow ball. Ay, jump ball. Nag-yellow ball tayo ha. Bilisan mo dyan. Number 42. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, hello, hello. Yan. Hello, hello. Corner 3. Oh, my foul.
Fourth personal foul, first team foul. Warning for graduation.
Personal foul. Number 1, personal foul.
It's good.
2 shots.
Second shot.
3 shots. First free throw is no good.
Rebounding number 19. Two foul rush. Number 45. Third personal foul. First team foul. Number 19, pinadalang bola. Number 19, pinadalang bola. Number 19, bumangga sa kamay. Rudy, ang gagawin. Tumparan. 3-5. First personal foul, second team foul.
Third free throw is no good. Everybody Cachola. Cachola nagmamadali. Set to 40. Cachola. Tuluwi. Kumike. Oh! And there's a foul.
Second shot.
Personal foul. Number 16. Personal foul. Sibo. Binomba. Oh! Everybody Cachola. Cachola pull up to no good. To Mr. Wonderful. Mr. Wonderful pumorma. Crossover, floater. Pasa kay Paring Lawrence. Balik kay Mr. Wonderful. Wonderful for 3. Oh, kapos. Corner 3. No good. Rebound is Sibaw. Sibaw to Cachola. Cachola harassed by Mr. Wonderful. Number 23. Scoop layup. No good. Rebound ni Ninong Lawrence. Outlet pass intercepted by Louis. Louis. Palanggayo, number 89. Stolen by Elvis. Elvis nagmamadali. Ito na. Elvis to Jerwin. Jerwin, 2 points. Number 1, 2 points. Palanggayo, re-rest back. 89. Diretso. Kick out. Number 3. To number 16. Number 16, scoop layup, no good. Leave on the bench. May lamok. And there's a foul. Number 42, personal foul. Number 42, 2 shots. Substitution, ref. Ref, substitution. Number 42, Viennes, warning for graduate, number 42. Sibaw may tangan ng bola. Dire-diretso, 1-4 is good! Sibaw, 2 points. Number 16, Toninong Lawrence. Mahina. Yellow ball. Timeout, Black Team.
Yellow ball. Jerwin Puno, may taka ng bola, number 1. Looking to set the play. To Louis. J. Jose. Jose, pull up to... No good. Rebound ni Cachola. Cachola, put back to... No good. Rebound ni number 86. Number 11. Pinoy, stop! Oy! Sayang naman. Number 35. Masahe mo, may foul. Number 1, personal foul. Number 1. 2 shots. Second free throw is no good. One more free throw, mga kapibaw. Second free throw is good by number 35. (43-33) in favor of the yellow team. Bienes to Cachola. Cachola to Jervin. Jervin. Pomoste. Louis. Elvis. Floater. No good. Rebound ni number 19. Jayan. To number 42. Number 42. Nagmamadali. Number 66 for 3. No good. Rebound ni Puno. Sabi ni Jervin, set the play. Jervin to Sibo. Sibo, haras by number 42. To Jay. To Elvis. Elvis, bumangga. Skyhook. No good. Number 35. Naghanap ng papasahan. Jervin. To number 42. Yes, he moved by number 42. Dian, bumangga. Number 19 for 2. No good. Dumalog. Sibo. To Jay. Jay looking to set the play. 3 minutes and 20 seconds to go in the ball game. 43-33 in favor of the yellow team. Sibo. Pumorma. To Jay. 6 seconds on the shot clock. Cachola floater. No good. Timeout, yellow team. Black ball. Gian to number 42. Haras by Jerwin. Number 19 for 3. Malakas. Rebound by Sibo. Sibo to Louis. Intercepted by number 42. Oh, line ball. Yellow ball. Louis, Sibo. Sibo pull up to kaboom. Sibo, 2 points. Number 42 around the basket. Right in layup is no good. Rebound to Sibo. 3-on-1. Namamadali to Jerwin. Jerwin, up. Jerwin for 3. Bam! Number 1, Jerwin. 3 points. 35 for 3. Oh, malakas. Number 42. To number oh, nabitawan. Yellow ball.
Number 11. First personal foul. Penalty.
Jerwin to Louis. Viernes 12. Balik kay Louis. Sibo. Jerwin for 3. Mahina.
Second shot. Kalmala Kuya. Para makuha ng isa.
May foul. Tumama sa ulo ni Jay.
Number 11.
First free throw is no good. Second free throw is no good. 66, pull up 2. Wala talaga. Jose. Eto na, Jerwin for 3. Wala na. And that's the end of the ball game. 46-33, yellow team.